welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher and I'm Pawan. In this tutorial I'm going to show the process of fixing this uninstallation issue of Magisk Manager. So I'm going to uninstall my Magisk application using my recovery. So let's see whether it will let us to uninstall Magisk. So this error came up and it won't let us to uninstall Magisk Manager. Even I have tried it once again, it won't uninstall the application. So even I have tried to turn on this phone, it won't let me to turn on the phone. And if I open the internal storage of this device, you can see all the partitions and files are encrypted and I can't access to any of these files. So how I can fix this issue and how I can boot my phone back? So to do this, first of all you need to access your file manager and you need to find the data folder. When it comes to here, you can see there is a folder called Magisk Backup. You need to just open this folder. Now you can see the backup boot image file of Magisk Manager. So you need to click on that backup gzip file and unpack. Then click on the back button and just flash this boot image. Now click on switch to flash option and wait till the completing of the flashing process. Now you can normally reboot your device without facing any of bootloop issues. So guys, here you can see we have successfully rebooted our device and there is no issues relating to this uninstallation process of the Magisk Manager. So if I open the Magisk APK file here, which means the application, you can see Magisk Manager is not installed this phone because we have reinstalled the original boot file of this phone from the backup directory of Magisk. So if you don't have a boot file on the backup directory of the Magisk and that backup file also gives you the boot loop issues, you can find that original boot file of your ROM by unzipping the original ROM or the custom ROM that you have already flashed on your phone. With that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.